Hi everyone, in this video we're looking at creating our unit price comparison sheet. So to start off with, we're going to open up a new sheet. I'm going to rename that so I know what I'm doing here, and that's my unit price comparisons. I need to know, like, the items I'm going to be comparing are the items off my shopping list or my menu. Control V. And then for each one of those items, I'm going to, I've forgotten a row because I need to put that Woolworths row in, like where the location is. So I'm going to insert and I'm going to put it there. So for each item, I need to find its price that I research, the size of the product, and then I also need to find what the unit it comes in. So when I say that, it's like, well, what's the size packet? So if it's 250 grams or 100 mils, whatever it is. And then the last one is unit price. So, and what I can do is wrap text so that you can see the whole lot there. Okay, so that means I've got this one here is going to be Woolworths. So I'm going to merge and center. And this one here is going to be Coles. So if you're just using Coles and Woolworths, that's fine. If you find something else that you prefer to use, by all means go for that. Control C, Control V, and the last thing we need to do is the Best Buy. Sorry. So merge and center, best. Oh. Sorry. Best Buy. And it's going to be price per unit and the store you purchased it from. Okay, so now we've got those three things. We can fix this up here. So I'm just going to make this a bit bigger so you can see my whole one. So what we have here is I can put some borders around things so I can see. I'm going to use this window one. Click down, all borders. I'm just going to color this green so I know that that is my Woolworths section. Red or orange. And my Best Buy, I'm going to shade that in like a different color just so I know what it is. Okay. So I'm going to research my items. So it might be $5. The size of the product might be 580 grams. So I'm going to actually convert that to kilograms. Now this is where it becomes a really amazing feature of Excel. If I hit equal, so you can see here it's coming up in my function bar. Remember, unit price is price per the size of the product. So I'm going to put the number that corresponds, so B3. The / represents divide by C3. And you can see it's highlighted both those cells. If I click enter, it's done the calculation for me. And if I keep applying that concept to each one of my products, so I'm just going to be a bit cheeky and make up some numbers here. So bread's about $2.50 and it's about 800 grams, so 0.8 kilos. And my unit price, instead of having to write in equals B4 divided by C4, I take this one here, I move my little arrow, my mouse to here, and you'll see that it's changed from a big white cross to a little skinny X cross, and I'm going to drag that down. And what has happened is that you can't divide by 0, but when I put the numbers in, so it might be $1.10 per chicken skewer, so one skewer, and the price is $1.10 per skewer. So potato salad, it's normally about $6 for 800 grams, so 0.8 kilograms, so it's $7.50. If you would like to change those so they actually look like currency numbers, click on the whole column and right click, hit Format Cells, and it will come up, go to currency, and it'll put a dollar sign in front of there so you can see it. It's the same with this one here. Format, right click, format, currency, and it'll bring up those. And as you fill these in, so tomato sauce was like $2 for 0.5 of a litre. You can see it's already done the conversions for me. So as I enter the numbers, it's like $2, 0.5 litres. So it's $4 per litre. Soft drink $18, and it's $18 for 24 cans, and it's 75 cents a can, and so forth. So it's about $4 for a tray of lamingtons. So even though I wrote in 4, did you see how it automatically functioned, like puts it back into dollars for you? So that's one of the awesome things about Excel, is that it does all these things automatically for you. And there's like 12 pieces, and it's 33 cents. So as I've filled those in, it's updated that. So you would do the same thing for Coles, and you would put your formula in here. So except that formula would be equals F3 divided by G3, and you can see it's highlighted those two cells, and you'd hit equals, drag that and drag it down. As you research the price of the product and how much quantity and what the unit is, it'll automatically update this. Then your job, now remember, this is the part where you actually demonstrate your mathematical reasoning here, is make a decision on the best buy. So you would look at, so in the case of the sausages, it's say it's $6 for 0.6 grams, and it's $10. So again, we'll format those to currency. So in this case here, making a decision for the barbecue sausages, it's going to be the best buy is Woolworths. So I'm going to go $8.62 or 62. Wait there, sorry. $8.62, and because we actually want to know what the unit price is per kilogram, and that comes from Woolworths. So that is how you do your unit price comparison sheet in Excel using the formula function. Okay, thanks everyone.